Hey guys, welcome back to Combustion Junction. I am Steve. We're doing a road trip to possibly pick up my next project. So the story as I know it, as this guy Paul, who's one of the viewers of the channel, decided he was going to seek out and restore I believe a Suzuki, like a GS750 if I'm not mistaken. So I think over time he's been sort of looking for candidates to build up, and through, you know, the ever-evolving process of finding motorcycles, he ended up finding 4. Not all from the same place. I think he found one which was a pretty good candidate. He found a second one which would serve as a parts vehicle, and then he found 2 more which had spoked wheels, as opposed to the first 2 which had mag wheels. So he thought he'd check those out with the intention of just buying one of them. And the owner of those 2, if I have the story correct, basically said, like, if you want the deal, take it all. And by all of it, that meant both those Suzukis and this extra bike that I'm going to check out now. He kind of reached out and just said, if you want it, it's yours. There's no tank, there's no seat, but everything else, I was sent a couple of pictures. It was kind of really hard to get an idea of exactly what it had and what it didn't, just because of the nature of the pictures, and it was crowded up with all the other bikes. It actually took a little while to figure out the exact model. I think he ran the serial number and it didn't come back with much. Let's check it out and see if it's worthy of dragging it home.
Howdy. And meet you. Likewise, man. So that's the beast.
1981 XJ550. It's actually in incredible shape. The front forks are clean. The 4-into-1 headers are really clean. The muffler is toasty. The motor looks good. I know it turns. That's as much info as I have. Electrical all seems to be there. Doesn't seem to be any missing parts. Carbs are all there. Obviously all the cables and everything are frozen, so I have no idea condition of carbs, why it was parked, whatever. And yeah, it shows 8,000 kilometers on the odometer. Whether that has any basis in reality, we will never know. But I did run the VIN. There's no history on the bike that the DMV was able to find. That just probably means it's been out of the system for so long that it's just out of the system. So in terms of getting ownerships and stuff in Canada, it's pretty straightforward. Bill of sale, affidavit, a couple other things, and that'll get worked out. So yeah, Paul with the bikes, great guy, awesome dude. I'm sure we'll be in touch from now on. He's got those Suzukis, and I think he actually offered to give me one of the other Suzuki tanks that needed a paint job to see if I could fit onto this bike, so that's really cool. Yeah, he's also inheriting a old VW camper van bus sometime this year, so hopefully I can help him out with a little bit of that. We did come to a deal on the bikes. I'm actually paying him what he paid for the lot. Now it's not a ton,
but considering the condition of the bike or whatever, I thought, you know, that was the least I could do was reimburse him for the trouble he went in that, and appreciated that he called out to me. So, and he's going to come by with the trailer, drop him off because they're still on the trailer. So I think it's win-win for everybody. I don't have it yet, so that day that you saw, it was a weird April snow day, so we just decided not to do it that day just because it was just a mucky day out. But I think in the next day or two he's going to come by, we'll offload it. Then hopefully what I'd like to do right away before I dig into the guts of the bike is just see if I can get it started, get a battery on it, and see if things turn over and get some spark or something. So hopefully that will be in the next week or so. So yeah, I'm totally excited. XJ550. Other small updates is my phone came in and I got a ton of it now. So pretty much as soon as I sign off on this, I'm gonna start cutting and gluing and shaping this stuff up. So that's pretty cool. I've collected the final electrical bits for the CB electrical thing, so I figured out how I'm going to do my sort of dash lighting, the high beam, neutral, and turn signal. So it'll be great to get that all together, get everything tested, and get it running before it comes apart, because I want to hear those homemade pipes and see what they sound like. I've also ordered the little 2-in-1 diode that Taylor over at Classic Octane puts out. That hopefully will come any day now. And yeah, we'll get cooking on this. Anyway, like always, guys, share this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will get to work on the electrical and get that up to you guys pronto. Cheers.